This is Nikon's newest addition to their lineup, the Nikon ZF full-frame mirrorless camera. It is quite a powerhouse, and today we're going to talk about all of the pros and cons of shooting with this camera so that you can decide whether or not it's a camera that works for you. First and foremost, I do want to say that Nikon did not send this camera to me. I rented it. All of my opinions are my own. They did not ask me to say anything in this video. I decided that I was going to rent their newest 85mm lens. And this thing is super heavy. It makes shooting with this camera a little bit more difficult and cumbersome than I was anticipating. And in hindsight, I wish that I would have gone with a smaller pancake style lens because I think that is going to be something that will suit this camera better. They do have a 40mm, I believe it's an f2. I think that would have been the perfect lens to shoot on. However, that is not something that I did, so we will be talking about what it was like shooting with the 85mm lens. This lens does have an aperture that goes to f1.2, which is super fast. When you have the ability to open your aperture farther, it allows more light in, which allows you to take faster pictures, and ultimately that not only allows you to focus faster, but it gives you more detail in your photos. I will say the fact that Nikon changed their mounting system is something I have mixed feelings on. While I understand the benefits of being able to have more detail in your images because you're able to have a wider or a larger opening with your aperture, f1.2, or what they are saying in some of the specs is 0.96, which is really incredible. The ability to do that gives you more light in your image and allows you to take faster pictures, allows your camera to focus faster, which is awesome. But at the same time, I have a lineup of lenses with my other Nikon film camera that I was excited to use with this camera, but realized I couldn't because the mounting system has changed. If I wanted to use those lenses, I would have to get an adapter, which you can do, and that's not a problem, but Nikon's history of having that same mounting system has made it really awesome for being able to purchase a new body and not having to worry about changing out all of your lenses. Now that they've changed that, if you want to have a lens that fits your camera body, you're gonna have to go with the Z mount instead of their F mount lenses. But it might not bother you if you don't already have a bunch of Nikon lenses. I have a Nikon F3. I have older film lenses that would historically work with a newer Nikon body. Another thing I want to point out about the ZF is the fact that all of the controls are on the top here. You have your shutter dial, you have your exposure dial, you also have the ability to change your aperture on this dial on the front, and then you have your ISO on the outside, and you can see here that you have your dial on the outside for manual mode, aperture priority, shutter priority, and program mode, and then obviously auto, which is really, really awesome. It reminds me of shooting with a film camera, which I really love because I have an affinity for film. These functions on the outside might not be something that everybody enjoys. There are some people that prefer to have thumb dials that give them the ability to quickly change those settings, and having the dials on the top of the camera do cause you to slow down a little bit more. I enjoy having the process be something that slows me down a little bit more because I feel like it allows for more creativity to happen. That's a personal preference. You may or may not like that, but it is something that does come with this camera. So know that if you're thinking about purchasing it. The shutter speed on this camera does go up to 1/8,000th of a second, which is really fast. That's what my Sony a7R IV goes up to, and I use it for sports photography. It does a phenomenal job at capturing a moment and freezing it in time. The ISO on this camera goes from 100 all the way up to 64,000. Incredibly impressive. You'll see those kinds of numbers on most professional cameras. So very adequate numbers there. And performance-wise, this camera does really well when you push the ISO, but it also does really well in low light. When the ISO is lower, it still has the ability to recognize and capture a face in a dark setting. I was walking around Nashville with some of my friends. We were walking through kind of a dark, corded off sidewalk, and the pictures that I took of them were pretty dark, but they came out really well. The camera was able to detect and capture their faces even though it was really dark. I was very impressed with that. And it did give me more confidence in shooting with this camera because I knew it was going to be able to capture someone's face even in low light. And that was good for that moment because of the way that the light was changing with where we were walking. Another feature that I do really love about this camera is the fact that you can change it to black and white mode. I love shooting black and white film. So having the ability to see it in the camera when I'm shooting definitely changes the way that I see an image or the way that I'm framing an image. And I really enjoyed having the ability to switch it to black and white while I was shooting. The only downside to that is if you shoot in black and white, you cannot go back in post and turn it to color. Whereas if you shoot in color, you can change it to black and white. And for the last part of shooting with this camera, it was pretty much just in black and white mode. So that is a really fun feature that this camera does have if you're interested in something like that. This camera did a great job of not only detecting where people were in the image, but also detecting faces and capturing that focus really quickly. A few cons shooting with this camera are minor, but they are things that can be a hindrance and be slightly inconvenient when shooting. The playback button is going to be up on the top left. So when you're shooting it, if you are using your left hand to support the lens and you are holding the grip, being able to toggle with your right hand is incredibly convenient. But Nikon has put the playback button up on the left here. So if you want to hit that playback button, you have to let go of the camera lens, which this lens is very heavy. So letting go of the lens to hit the playback button is not ideal, which you might not think is something that's going to be an issue. But when you shoot pictures and you're trying to look back at what you got quickly, it's kind of clunky. The other issue was how small this grip is. I mean, there's barely anything on here, and this lens is one of the lenses that they make for this camera body. So knowing that you have heavier lenses mounting to this camera body and not giving a sufficient grip on here, and that was not something I enjoyed while shooting. I will say I'm a sucker for a good shutter speed sound, and the sound that they have on this camera is fantastic. I'll let you hear this here. It's a great shutter speed sound. I know it's a small detail, but for me, it's something I enjoy, and it makes shooting with a camera a little bit more fun. That might not be something that you care about at all, but it is something that I pay attention to. A few other specs worth noting is that this camera does shoot in 4K at 60 frames a second. It has vibration reduction, a 24.5 megapixel sensor, and it can shoot at 14 frames per second. I did notice that when I was shooting with this camera, it had a little bit of trouble with keeping up in continuous mode. It could have been the card that I was using, but I did have a pretty fast card, so I don't think that was the issue. But do keep that in mind if this is a camera that you are looking at. Overall, I did really love shooting with this camera. I love that Nikon put the functions on the outside because it does remind me of shooting with this Nikon F3. And as someone that shoots film a lot, it's a nice way for Nikon to blend the best of both worlds. And without further ado, here are some of the photos I captured while shooting with this camera. I hope you enjoyed them. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've shot with this camera, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what your experience was with it. I'm Tilly Scholl. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.